Noah, she's Carla, she's Alicia, and she's Julia.
Today we are going to make slime.
What do we need?
Glue, ball, spoon, detergent and color. First we put the glue in the bowl.
Color and mix it with a spoon. After that, I go into to add the detergent and mix it.
Hope you like, guys.
If you like it, I give you like and subscribe.
See you soon, friends. Bye bye. Kisses.
Hello, today we're gonna explain how to play football sala. But first, a team. Second, sport clothes. A short, a t-shirt, and special ball. The basically is control the ball, pass them. In Malgrat, the teams are Malgrat, Olympic, and Active. The uniform is t-shirt and shorts. You play with this ball. There are 2 teams of 5 people each, and this is how to play.
We are going to make slime. I'm Paula and they are Thais, Lucia and Shiloh.
In the table, we have the ingredient.
The important ingredient is glue.
We put the glue in the bowl. Okay.
We add the baking soda. We add the colorant. It looks nice. Now we mix it. It looks nice.
Yes, it is beautiful.
We add slowly the contact solution.
Mix it using a spoon.
We can add decorations. This is the result. See you. Bye bye.
Hello, we are Laura.
And me, Edna.
Hello. We are Laura.
I am Edna.
I am Aina. Today we're going to make a makeup tutorial. First, we put on my face the face cream.
After that, we use the brushes and put it on my cheeks. We do the same on my eyeshadows.
and
Then put eyeliner. And apply the mascara. And time for the lipstick.
Hope you like it a lot. Bye, friends. Hello, friends of YouTube. I am Joel. I am Rob.
And I am Dan.
Today we are doing a tutorial of necklace of spikes. We need a gun of hot silicone, acrylic paint and wire,
And false brew. First, we connect the gun of silicone.
water fits like the and we put silicone. Put the silicone in the triangle shapes.
The spikes used in the acrylic paint. Paint the spikes using the acrylic paint.
Sticks the spikes on the wire.
Finally, roll the necklace on your arm.
We have finished the tutorial. Subscribe and activate the bell.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I am Beth and my friend is Shirkala
Hello
and
friends.
Luffy. Hi! In this video, we will explain you how to make a slime. The slime will be fluffy, and the ingredients are water, white glue, paint, colorant, glitter, shaving foam, Orbis, and of course borax.
First of all is putting the glue in the box. Shaving foam.
The second one is put the colorant in the box and compact mix. And mix. It's okay this. The three part is put the borax in the water. Ta-da-da. And put in the box. And
Wow, it's beautiful.
this part is optional. You can put the paint and glitter and Orbis. This is optional.
You can do or no? Woo! It's very big, the orbis. Now we mix with your hands. So very, but it's so more. So very slime.
Oh yeah.
Sí, y aquí ves.
In English, please.
Uy.
Do you like this video? Mm. Oh, it's so very fluffy.
And slime.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello! Today we will show you how to do gymnastics. For example, the wheel.
Put the right leg in front of you. Move your hands down to the floor. Jump a little bit to complete the wheel.
Straight your legs in the air! Thanks for watching the video.
Bye
Bye.
Hello, we are now Bien, Ethan, and Unai, and we will show you how to make that. A longe. For a longe, you have to jump in large distances. My name is Ethan, and we'll show you a brief. My name is Bien, and I can show you a cat. Hello, my name is Unai, and I show you to make pasavallas. Bye bye. We wish you that. Bye bye. We wish you that you enjoy it of the video and bye bye. Sayonara, baby.